boy without say ya dey brem the NSA nana no me a woman share wa for mo den e de akoma fenso hema ene na tra nkonya one mo say free 1998 we assembly member abato no ya de nipa dodo no a emfa ye ho hyem ni titu pa ene ekuro so akasie mu mampanyini na nado danko akufuado wo bona baso e de fa TVET enwomasian so ehun sada ena ora sami jamfi e kasa de fa lithium deal bi osusu senya de a eno so beboa Ghana fo eno nti mra se bedwafo ni hweye eno man kwa akwaje emre bia dan so antum ewo ho na wore kwan senka turumudie hu mra yi wo beje atum amnesty fonso de nsam fufuro bi aba na ye bebo wuram nsam fufuro mo right abo atinjan se NPP ni NDC nyina wonum aye him franka no wonum abedi akire no wo mu hwemu yie ansa na wonum eyi ebika ho anopai making kind ede
Sompa FM
wayini ni ama kranchada zo so fama mi premier ni anopai me na mesi nkonwa me de kase boyi ebremu Kumasi traditional council wa friends and children share mu de kokobo ede masse nya de obetransa ehwe ha na obi apiapia obi etiko e wo menhia sie nkonko yi obi a oba baji finso akonwa nya de be ye kura ahemfonson ya o friends and children share mu e nana jedu kuma ni otoso nan amachi bare krontire echemfo asafo boachi agema bedu eno so ye akwamu nana boachi ansa debra sokorema mpa onifa nana edu mensa sare otoso mienu amakomine adonten nana we afia peus awansa hia himahene ono so eye benkum ohene baboachi agei wo ahene otoso mienu hia hen chidom eni jase wonom ena friends and children share mu se fenso hima ene na bedi akire nyade ya wono bewe ha ami abebo obi a sebi eburu sebi son one sem fata sebi afia akentai akonya womra wometraso
no maso binti ebrebia namo ne abofo bia yunze ye nguye no mano sakasaka ebo mani nguye nguye swa eframo fo muna mai embraso saso mukese asumpie oudie e yase no mshia na mtudu tubia mutu una yese no ye na nashi yese nya ntiyese onti ya kamwasi bi wa hala pota samye intinke na sasa ko ndio wani kasi kwa ya mta kebu say John was a court now could give me the what could do to grow now for judgment what's that why it's a boa why is that the time one year and you was in Milan is a
nananom ya one woman share and our friends and twelve for share muin na ye nyina ye ni da kwan se December busumi ni da tosu dun kron so ma wan rabo abato ye be kwa akwasada ni akwakoto assembly member abato na no nanam so ama deputy director of electoral commission in charge of corporate affairs Dr. Bosman Asare mu say if you have pema ankra de watching 1988 no assembly member abato no kwa na ekofom ni titu ni nkra ni kumase nkra kase ati se na se nipa dodo no anfe ho ye chiri ye vita du kuse we mfaso biare ni we woso a ebeboa enipa na ntia yade ha dwen papa pam oso afa wo hwe nkronki tuwa ni epuepu amemotuo no nyamfo da kwakubotwa woye wokre emra hye bedwani wo chirem se nipa be se mpim sia ena wo predi bia hodo enu nti na enwa kwakonya se obi ade no be hyem bie Bossman Asare kasa se Ganafo wo sre yemfie hu hyem na duru ho a yenkonkwoto abani bi.
The data is very, very clear that in the urban centers, especially regions like Greater Accra and Accra proper, and you look at Ashanti region, Kumasi proper, usually the turnout has been very, very low in these two places, and other major cities like Cape Coast, Takoradi, Sunyani, etc. But this year, we based on what the work we are doing and what the assembly members themselves are moving around, telling people about their programs, their manifestos, what they intend to do in their various communities, we get the feeling that the urban center numbers will increase that may not still compare to what will happen in rural regions and rural communities, but we expect to do better than what we did in 2019. And I think
Dr. Bosman, sorry, none of this any. And we must have the children fire rents and Juma Swat Ivete, and you are for gift chum ampofo, and what's in Ukraine near the Jawa near the Aswao, Nanaro Danko Fado, a bon homo de papa, and one Messiani fa, a bois, see a Benyans and Juma Bepiemo, and Natchez, away you were Juma Precum, was we Sika, I, dear Uram was Aquawa, and if I should treat DNA, Pefe, say Aquadan Woberiano, Natchez when it does so baby, our Quaquay Juma. What you are saying to Jawa Bra, now a name was Mantemu, Sukua Woodwa, one Asia and Sanujumemu.
So ye TVET so Masania Brofia can say should be globally competitive. I just say call school be muna kofenia mediche Asia for Nadia. Now call maybe this Malaysia, Singapore, China, Germany, Austria. I say who send video the one who only be neko be a hopper and say TVET now also ye. I say we are Magana and they say you Kurunkitua, but I say idea if you are sino a year Bibi Kruku be a cry, open your phone so who we are see baby. This year see ye TV who here say yedi sika pa na yeton fidia yedi kire yesuafo na dia won beti ase
Principal Wokumasi Technical Institute Ora Gabriel Kingsford say eda oswafo no ase papa won proba waba be piemu e wo school no mu
how ahodo aye wo no ya bubu bi so akire no a me wo gidie se okoduru a ministry no or the top no so a on so betu ho anamo me gidi se ye ka KTI said the mu nyina mu nim no e ba Ghana ha ne ye ka technical institution ya number 1 na said the mu be hu ye no sa project we Chinese company na abeboa a set up sa workshop you can say state of the art international standard workshop now
Anopano Siakasia Bona Utie was Sompa 90.7, Sompa 93.1, Sompa 98.9, TV so Tetre and Asabre Medaswa, Meya me who make Casiabono Ediamamono. And it is Yamanyoko, woman kita udiaba for Trino Rasam Jemfin Walker saying, said really be a friend is a lithium deal, no? Yadi between Abuagana for Sansa with Tebra and in Yama Merecha Sense and Unwa. Edwa how pan a bebantim Rachabeja for him, a dear to be found for Swamre Wamano, Womamontu.
General, well, we disagree. We don't think that the lease agreement that has been signed between the government of Ghana and Barawi, the same laws, the very laws which have not benefited us but have impoverished us over the years. These are the fundamental issues. That's the terms of the agreement. We've raised issues. So you heard government officials say that this agreement is the best agreement ever in the history of this country. Because under this agreement, raw lithium will not be exported out of this country. So we have demonstrated by citing specific provisions of the lease, specifically paragraph 1, A, B, C, and D of Schedule 2 of the mining lease agreement, which shows clearly that it is very possible that raw lithium will be exported out of this. Because if you look at the requirements for the establishment of a local processing plant in Ghana, it is very permissive. It's not mandatory at all. It is conditioned or contingent.
Ora Sami Jenfi anudi samno enono Ghana for nyina ni da kwan se turumudie humra de akoto mra chebe jefie mu ye beje atumu na Ghana for ya te enwase papa se ya bibi for ya kan for se be eburu se be son ye so niema bi aye te sa so ye humasua ene yakọ ne yakọje kwasi kokontete ne nso nanom tete efie wo ba de ne de ne be ma se de chiro no aka ne pefe ye dawo se wo kwan da botan so sa da na shape kwan de nsuo suo ene wo be ma kwan de wo ba ho no de enti na be ma ne sisi achibare me kwa akodi wo mu ama no a na ne nyonko be menti emrai yenyi na entum your friend proper human sexual right and Ghanaian family values bill ya kwanse e beje atumu ya da sore ya Amnesty International fake ho sai enu ya gisa amna ne tumu a nya de bebo aye betu atiatia nipa fa ho de su na nipa ye sabe ebru ye de tumu de fa ho de ba bi mu wa obi koti aso sai mre ya gi tumu a ya mfo ankotum kranvinhia nanum anase du wa ben sentroni anase te se obi obeyi no se ene woman right be gina gina kasamfidie ni kasamfoni so abobo hu de wura ka ho nsem wo mu nyina so twin bi ebe kode ama wonum wa friends sentrofo nhia mu no de sa asemi e de etso wonom so enim yetwa kase bono eso wo wura ya abo atin jan and waka say was so rare need this amanyuko His Excellency John Dramani Mama and wojina mu ya wo him frank apri to me 2024 edi bebre aba sebe ya wo mobi now man abedi akire ebi susu se de wapoto mo na afi onchiri se edibo mu na na je opoko ageman ya ode ne ko ye no one for no ansonko sada Nesremu stage atsa Doctor Alhaji Mamadu Baumia Mr. Digita wono so wogina mu di mani pipi amanyoku a ye bubo obodi ani obi e tere ne sasa Doctor Mato Poku Prempa ena hinchane fata nti ye mfa nhye no a ene ye dominance amafo na nanum nyina da empaje atumu aya wo masanse anapode na apokudie wono ana de besie na no na ya boati cheche mu se obi e hwe nipa obeyi ni yie so obetimi abeboa atwe dom e de abeka ne ho amatumi a wokopre no aye ntentem wane Sompa ene kasai
masa e barra ni metasem wan kasa na wo Shagbera no enye won kwa na ese wo transe na wo kase nipa sumesi na nipa sumesi if say enema bebre eba boy because say nipa mienu ya edi party akesie ye nimu omo nyina Ghana fo hu omo adwuma Excellency John Dramani Mahama why vice president aye president da
ye tie Sompa
His Excellency Dr. Mahama Baumia why vice president if you want to no
nyokre
Ethiopia presidency no be a different what wo Ghana for ni momo ntini e betimi aboa ama ne mani adane no ne wo running mate anything betimo nkasa asumasi ana obenti ya me adoma payimfo ne be hia na me yesi aye no afutu sam kakra me kai no say e hono ne yere ne yi na yemfa kwadwudwu mu na ne ye din manu amanfo no betimi akase ade ya wo ba besremi nka me fa ma na mom ni pasumasi a ya wodi wati nko anti no be ma eba ne sai bia kwa kosra die nipa no wo hwe afa ma e wo fra oferefo bia ya odi wati oferefo no ene nimu a so be sai ma mu nyina ma sai akono we na wakase ade de nka no kwase bi ya fa ma
wowura ya boati jan ene wo kasa no ai na sa ne besie na apokudie papa ba umi aboni dia wie yejinemu wasante mantemo Deputy Minister wobo adwuma de agenda children and social protection e say e ma ni me ma mofra ne wo mu yedie hunsam so ne wonunyamfo Francisca wote mensa wapadwumadie bi huntoma e friend national social protection policy wode nanum en wode yesa nkyerechire na da toso mienu no wakasa wo chechim se wo mu hwehwemu no wono ma ba be hunu pa nipa dodo a wo mu ahuyehie mu ya wono ma emre na wo mu ni bie ye no wo mpese sa ekukasie wo metumi asam so no no wo no bie ntem no ayekama enu nti what to do say enhancing the well-being of vulnerable Ghanaians through effective social protection system won crying and ye ma media asem no edi etumu no sisa national social protection policy one mo ba be ya ebebo apa be ye finhyenum eni edu edi anim no amasetrenum aya
vulnerability no them mitigating a bit more. This program is going to run for 10 years. For 2023 to 2033. And definitely because say like first phase, who baby na short for second phase is so a human started beginning of the year and a whole lot of dialogue series they will be able to come up with this document. It's definitely no. If you are able to stick to every print of this document, vulnerability no.
Mama Francisca watin wie ye no chire mu sedwumadie no wo ma chemu mienu na second phase no de wa hunu se ntokuro bi ne niema bi no wo mu a ni nyina da wo de won mani be hwe ne yie no tuatua santokuro no so enyina
she said your second phase first phase no e ko kama Sanya me reading the speech in the kind, assessment. The whole baby, I actually fought. You can't say, you actually shot on. And all those corrections. Baby, I was saying some agencies in a very good collaboration because over baby to say social welfare, a lot of social welfare staff and local government. And I was saying, building a good rapport. When it comes to local government ministry.
Mampenida His Excellency John Dramani Mama wanam problem ya watu ni din se building Ghana tour na non wakwako piemu so ewo atoye Western North MNC num enodi asem dia ba betu dwa wo kirem se we na anu danko akufo ado amemo ya wabuo no a akwa awodro ni bebre asai nyade sector no yetumi ku yanim kura wo so oman no ase egina fa akote salvation for ban ne tore bi nso aye ku yachi ene ye ku yachi se hiri baba said wakwa so dem ye bo deliverance na sofo no peso wo to fom na nso atim awere na peso wo be wo no esa no a ne sane da no mo maso ene wo eduku achire osini emanyina atete apansam koko piemu o se hwioso eye wo he popro epotoso eno de asam no so ede etudwa wo chechem se ne ekro no de oman no baton no enye kora nyade asegana ya nhwe ne meyi a ye betumi so akoyanimu
ye man Ghana na ye famu no ye hu bi da say oman na Rollins chichire to ho edema kofo president kofo chichire to ho edema mills chichire to ho edema me me so asomdwe mu me dema president kofo do say enya sa o man ni every say baby anyoma si kono se anso ano a ebe kono boni bibia say ufa sector bia education health cocoa sector economy bibia say na ehun hia say ye ni betimi bia na yeso ano so maya me de share na akofo do samaka say amambo we etese baton race otu mi ke edru bibia na the baton na ma obi na ohwa baton na me de ma na akofo do ne ba omia no say o mama baton no atofom nti ho say yesan peja sa baton no na yeto americano so. His Excellency John Dramani Mama says we are so many poto so we no kateche kwasibu mangama ya otosu mienu wa he popron so kabise na dia nananom de ya no dem sapatra mo ye ni tumi biada ya je tumi ngina da free ensem obi kra ya boni ya yefra na mfie no wo se be ha wa hia me court
ensem kakra ha no se ye ahemfo no time bia ye ka politicians no maji tumi na free ensem moje tumi na free ensem sese yeti ha yini ahodin bia enne ye be sama obi kura wa himfie utumi tena manim ka je ye mfa men kokot aka ne no utumi nkansa nti se ye wura so samba bi mo ya ye ko national house of chiefs na ye ka ende on samfa ye tumi no mai on fa ye tumi no mai na so de tumi no mai dia and ahemfo nyina eba be di nachi
okatachie akwasibu mangama se hwioso mahene ene ete ne nkanom na ukwamra chebedwafie mu a ranking member ya wono ne hwe aduane ne awrokocha ehunto to yensam so sunafo ene of mansiri mu so ogina mu mantam no ogina mu se emra chebedwane no munyafo rikopoku ene wo chem se 2021 dia wo wini ye best fish farmer esi osi adampom yenu ade ma no su se koyo se ba yo kakaguna besinne nyade adan ye se ama no finhia mienuni enwa kwa masika Ghana sika frey empema enu adu okronwoche ahanso adu osom mienu empempro ade empeso abi nsugu akire na wogina mu na wobo se kuna duri wo mrache bedwafie no na chese kekafu akeka de madam penti no se akwa yo asem a hadwe papa
celebration. Mr. Speaker, this is a very important celebration that every Ghanaian must observe. Unfortunately, during the celebration, the best fish farmer is not given the award. In 2021, the best fish farmer was to be given 2-bedroom house. The ceremony, which was attended by His Excellency the President and all the state apparatus, Mr. Speaker.
Onmanya for rikopoku wiye na ya maame ha wakumsen ya wono na so yeyi wono no gina mu wono so akire mu de ntia sa dan besine ni wura ensankai.
Can you also made mention about the best farmers award? The reason why we are not done with the building is he knows very well that there was an issue with that award winner. So we took almost 8 months to 1 year to do investigation to make sure that the official had no problem before we could allow the construction to go on. So if the ranking member is saying we are left with 500,000 Ghana cedi to complete, it means we have done the major part of the project, and I think it's left with about just a few touches to complete, and it will be given to the winner. And this year's
Mame hawa kumsi asemu ini ejina swa ni adi anopano nsi akasi abona bena wiye ya mepacha wa woyaba widi emu chichunwa 21st clinic 15 branches across Ghana bebi ebibe ubia nwabo uramu oyese anamu edika niti etina yain ye friends sciatica expert mizo any 5G any edibedi ebronya no fabigu free gym muziremi ni ba umani binu ye bishop patron obi piada sunsum sode sofwa woyo nkansa any olumba ogum wo nyina ba ye num bi nso a eyeye na etumi aboa pa ene mozama anopo ba ma lameto yodas minister na beshi mahado mesaka mebeko ya misumi kweta ala hambado raka misaka santi aboa wona esem for penny o chekere so ame kuku Veronica Jandro ene wono so wa shegini wa betre chechinchim fidie safa kantaka bo adwuma o MCR ho anopai wo hinini ama kranchada zo of mami premier ni asantman ajimi atumu ama mdi foforo ba pa mesa media si ye wuraman ya wadubu ache ene wa fa no papa brown wo transfer ade ache bia no abroni shu hu se shem se ni tiri ho
ne wo to ase na fa wo sie mu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se hu